Hello guys, today we will try to install Python in Windows. Just go to our browser and search for Python. Go to their official website, which you can see the downloads tab. You can just download the latest version, or like you can just go into all releases and download the previous released specific version. In this case, I will be like downloading 3.9, which is a stable build, and 3.10 is also a stable build only. I'll just go and download for Windows installer 64-bit. You can also do this same for your 3.10 also. After it's downloaded, just click it. Okay, since I've already installed, it's just showing me whether to modify, repair, or uninstall. In this page, you need to just click here to add path, and you have to just click next, 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 next. Okay. After that, it will be installed. That's all.